Today we are going to make fish and grits, but instead of grits, I'm using quinoa. And of course, instead of fish, we are doing hearts of palm. I've been seeing different recipes of people using heart of palm for fish. And I already knew that you can use eggplant. You can also use a banana blossom, but I'm really hyped to see if I can pull this off. I've never really was a grits fan, but you know, your palates change. So I'm always playing things by ear. I really don't have any kind of rhyme or reason to anything. It'll just pop up in my head and I'll be like, oh, and then I'll look at different recipes and see how I can make it my way. So this way of making quinoa grits, I've never tried this before. And yeah, I think it's gonna turn out lit. So I saw someone grind up the quinoa, which changed the texture of it, and it was more like grits. 1 cup of quinoa. I'm super excited, look at that. Palm is multi-use. You can make crab cakes out of it. This is what it looks like. To make the texture, you gotta be careful with it because now I have to season it just like fish. So we're going to put a little bit of Old Bay. Get both sides. And be careful because they're very like sensitive. It really doesn't matter if it breaks because all pieces are going in. There's that. And then the last but not least to get the fishy taste is the furikake. Furikake, that's seaweed. So we're gonna season up the cornmeal. I'm trying to debate if I wanna do a wet batter as well. A little nutritional yeast in it. I also want some like sauteed mushrooms to give the grits a little bit of boom pow. I'm about to wash up these mushrooms before I chop them. My trusty dusty knife. Okay, we got the onions chopped. We're gonna throw some cheese. I want you to know that I am very proud of this. I'm very proud of this. Look at this. Yes, heart of palm, fried fish and grits with a garnish of tomatoes and spring mix. Now that I've been introduced properly to sriracha, I'm gonna put it on here. And now we're about to do the taste test. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This, I'm proud of myself. I am proud of myself. You hear me? Okay. Yes. I'm trying to tell you. When people be like, oh, I don't eat vegan food. Oh my God. It's just more for us.